Did you know, backed by science, certain scents can be powerful allies for deep, restful sleep? Stick around for a special DIY sleep blend at the end. Top 5 science-backed essential oils. 1. Lavender, the #1 researched oil. Study in sleep medicine reviews found it boosts deep sleep and reduces anxiety. 2. Roman chamomile, like tea in a bottle, it gently sedates the nervous system. 3. Bergamot, a 2018 study in Complementary Therapies in medicine showed it lowers cortisol, perfect for nighttime wake-ups. 4. Vetiver, an underrated gem, Indian research found it reduces restlessness by 40%. 5. Ylang-Ylang, proven in the Journal of Natural Medicines to lower heart rate and blood pressure for relaxation. How to use. Diffuser blend, 3 drops lavender and 2 bergamot, run 30 minutes before bed. Topically, by diluting 2 to 3 drops in 1 tablespoon of carrier oil, like coconut, sweet almond or grapeseed oil, and applying to the temples, neck, or soles of the feet, or in a warm bath to enhance the relaxing effect. But be careful, never apply essential oils directly to the skin without diluting them, always do a patch test first, and avoid sun exposure after using phototoxic oils like bergamot. Massage oil, mix 2 drops chamomile and 1 tablespoon coconut oil, apply to feet. Pillow spray, 10 drops lavender and 100 milliliters water, spritz lightly. Bonus, scientific sleep blend. Try this research-backed blend. 3 drops lavender, deep sleep, 2 drops Ylang-Ylang, mental calm, 1 drop vetiver, natural sedative, add to a diffuser or dilute for a relaxing massage. Heads up. Essential oils are potent and need caution. Low blood pressure? Ylang-Ylang may drop it further. Sensitive skin? Always dilute, 1 tablespoon carrier oil per 2 to 3 drops essential oil. Asterisk, and if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have a medical condition, consult a healthcare professional before using them.